What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? No, lady, you're funny.
Can't do it.
It'll be good for outtakes.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. Alright, guys, so today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Royal Kludge mechanical wired / wireless keyboard. Got on Amazon for a cool $39.99. This is going to be the white one. It's got the MX cherry switches, and they are the blue switches. So they're light, but they're also clicky. So this keyboard will also be able to connect to 3 devices all at once. So it's got a built-in battery, so you can run it wireless. It uses the Bluetooth 3.0, so it's a little bit faster one. And I believe it's got like a 320 hour of like standby time before you need to recharge it. So I think that's pretty much the basics of it. It's the 60% keyboard, so it's a little bit smaller, which I like because I have a big old mouse pad, and my other keyboard like hangs out over the mouse pad.
Hand, so you'd be like this.
Yeah. So let's go ahead. We're gonna open this up and see what's all in here.
Very well packaged.
So we got our box. We literally got the keyboard. We got the user manual, which basically tells you how to hook up the Bluetooth. As you can see, we got a keyboard right here.
That is actually really small. The cord.
The cord.
Did you tell me it was Bluetooth?
It is Bluetooth. And it has a USB 2.0 cable. So it's just a regular old charging cable. Just a regular old micro USB cable. So you should be able to charge it with just about anything. Got the name right there on the bottom. Royal Kludge. So on the back of it, you got a little power button here. Check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the switch for you. Maybe we should pair it up to my cell phone to see if we can type on it. At the very bottom, RK Bluetooth.
And then
So
I
let's
will
go
write
ahead.
something.
We're pairing it. It's paired. Oh,
Okay.
that's it. Physical keyboard settings. We're gonna write a little. Hold on, let me show the peeps here. So right now, we're on. Let me get it to focus. Okay, so right now, look at. As you see, I'm not touching the phone. No, I don't know, Elaine. Yeah, she's writing down here. Look at that.
Grab the 5150 and go.
Perfect.
So I'm holding the controller.
Let me just show you what we got here. We actually got plugged right into the old Xbox. So you can tell. Alright guys, so the thing is I worked a few days, so that gave me a few days to play around with this keyboard, give you a better review on it, I guess, or what I think about it. So here it is. I got 3 of them laid out here. They're all little budget keyboards. We got the Red Dragon. Check it out. That's what I've been using for like the last year. It's been actually a pretty great keyboard. I got this little cheap, it's a Saturn something or other gaming keyboard, the old U-Tech Smart. I got this one because my wife was complaining that my mechanical keyboard was too loud, and she carried me across the house clicking away at it playing games. So I got these 3 keyboards. Let's check all 3 of them out and show you the size comparison. We'll do a little typey test to see how loud they are, and maybe I'll try to see if I can switch some keys on this little 60%. See how it is. Alright, so first off, when you unbox this thing, when you pair it to your PC, phone, or whatever device you want to, first thing you gotta do is turn it on the back here. I'll go ahead and do that. So it'll light up when it's ready. When you first initially turn it on, the P key right here will be flashing. That means it's in pairing mode. And if you don't get that, all you gotta do here is push the function and hold down P. And if we're on Bluetooth mode, which I don't think we are, it'll start flashing. But if it's not in Bluetooth mode, all you have to do is push function and tab. I don't know if you saw it, but it flashes, and now we could push function and hold down P. So you can see now the P is flashing. It is pairing up to whatever I need to pair it to. So that's how you pair your keyboard. Once you get it wired back up, if you want to do wired mode, just function and tab again. All right, now we can see our lights. They are actually pretty bright, so it looks good. Function, and I guess these little ones here. Where are we at? Right here. These two. That'll turn your brightness, I believe, up and down. You can see that. All right, so we hit function, and your apostrophe or your, I guess, semicolon, that'll speed up and slow down your speed of the effect. So let's go ahead and speed it up. Now you can see how much faster it's going. So let's go ahead and go through the different effects here. So remember, function, backslash. This one I like, because that just, check it out. Basically whatever key you're pushing, it lights up. That one's just solid. And I learned that I couldn't get the pairing to work, but if I put it in this lighting effect mode, it worked just fine. Don't know if that's just this keyboard or what, or if that's even how it's supposed to be. So check it out. That one was pretty cool. What do you think? Got like a little breathing pattern here. Got a little swirly do. I think that one looks all right. We got just kind of random keys. Kind of like a inward to outward breathing pattern. That one probably gave you a seizure. That one looks alright. That one looks alright. Not too big, man. I think that's where it started over here. But I think this one's probably my favorite one. So yeah, so let's compare it to, this is our red dragon, so you can see kind of the brightness difference. This one doesn't change any colors, but it's not about that keyboard now, it's about this one. Check out the differences here. I think this blue lighting looks pretty good. We got a red and black, and then our little cheap budget one. It's not too bright. It's hard to see once you're over in front of the keyboard. But this one does change colors and do different things, and it also does a rainbow. If I remember how to do this. There it is. All right, so red dragon. Now we're on the Royal Kludge. And the quietest one of them all. They do have the same color. They are the same exact size. This is a standard size key. So, you can see this one does have, let me turn it off here. You can see it has the standard blue switches inside of it. And this little cheapy one here does have the blue switch. So what I think might look good is if we take our keys and we put them over there. So it fits, no problem. Check it out. Alright guys, so I'm back at the computer here. I'm going to show you why I bought the keyboard, some of the advantages and some of the disadvantages for me. I don't know if you guys are going to have the same issues, but check it out. So here is my Red Dragon. Check it out. It goes over my mouse pad, which that goes all the way almost, you know, to the end of this top I put on here. So yeah, I don't like being able to have to move my mouse and slam it into this thing. So check it out how much smaller that is. It fits right over here. Fits perfect. I like it. So we can get rid of that. And now check out how much room I got here. Great. We're watching the old Gringo Garage over there, playing some Fortnite over here. So yeah, some of the advantages for the 60% is just space. Some people don't have a lot of space, and some people like that low sensitivity where they got to move their keyboard a lot. I mean their mouse. And that's me. I have to have a lot of room for my mouse, so that keyboard, getting that thing moved over kind of off to the side is a plus. Now the disadvantages is you don't have all the keys on it. So let's check it out. So in order to delete things, you have to push function backspace. If you want to do any, like your F1, F2, F3 and all that stuff, you have to push function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your up arrow right here, that's where your question mark is. So you have to do function up arrow to do a question mark, or function shift up arrow. I guess I did that right. And then to do your backslash, it's function. So function up is backslash, function shift up arrow is a question mark. So it takes a little getting used to, as far as you can't just type and just hit your symbols and everything else and keep going. You do have to, I guess, use it for a little bit, get used to the function key, because you got to use it for you know, several things on here to make it like a normal keyboard. And editing this video right here for you guys, you have to use that function. You have to use that function delete and function. You have to use the function key. I mean, it slows me down just a little bit, but not too bad. I love the keyboard. I'm gonna plug this one back in. Don't get me wrong, that Red Dragon is an awesome keyboard. I gave it a couple days. I didn't want to just do a unboxing and straight review, because I'm not like the smartest when it comes to tech. All I know is I use it. I'm just the average person like you all. I watch these tech videos and it just confuses me half the time what they're saying. But I've been using this keyboard a few days. I haven't had any problems with it. It feels pretty responsive as far as the keys. When I'm clicking them down, it does what I want. It hasn't messed up, no glitches, no nothing. I've been liking it a lot, so I give it 2 thumbs up. So thanks everybody for watching the 5150 Gringo Garage. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think this keyboard looks good? Should I order some cool crazy colors like the pastels or the neons? I don't know. I'm just having fun with it. You guys have a good Easter, and I will see you on the next video.